Welcome to Run Deals, you guys. I have this baby gate, pet gate right here. It works. You can put it up in your kitchen, by the bathroom, in another room. You can put it on your stairs, wherever you would like to keep your pets out. It is about 43 inches wide, a little bit more than that, and a little bit more than 28 inches high, if you can see that. It also comes with these hooks that you can use. It comes with the poles to hold it up, and it comes with more hooks, you guys. This is going to be so great to keep your pets and your kids out of places that you do not want them to be. I think this is awesome. It is a breathable, thin material. Look at these poles, you guys. They stretch out to be as tall as your gate. And look, they go small if you just want to store it and keep it somewhere. This is great. It will store up nice and small. This is great even if you want to travel somewhere and you're going over to somebody's house and you don't want the pet or your child in a different room. This will be perfect.